Hello friends, now we will discuss the variance of Poisson distribution. So we know that the formula for finding the variance is variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x bracket square. Here we have already calculated the value of expectation of x and it is a lambda. So here we can find the expectation of x square. Again the same formula, expectation of x square is equal to summation of x square into px, and the range of Poisson distribution is 0 to infinity. Friends, here we can make one important adjustment, as we cannot use x square as it is. We can take a x square as x into x minus 1 plus x. Means here this we have to simplify this. X into x is x square, this minus x plus x, the plus x minus x cancel, the remaining term is x square. So here we can use instead of x square x into x minus 1 plus x, then this expression x square is equal to this. Now we have to separate these two terms, x into x minus 1 into px and plus x into px. So we can get here summation of x equal to 0 to infinity x into x minus 1 into px plus summation of x equal to 0 to infinity x into px. Means we have to separate these two terms because this term is nothing but expression of x, and we know that the mean of the Poisson distribution is lambda. So we can put here this value and we can get this. Means this term is as it is, and this is nothing but mean of Poisson distribution, it is the lambda. Okay, now here again we can see that if we have to put x equal to 0, then 0 into this term is 0, and if you have to put x equal to 1, then also this 1 minus 1 is 0, and this 0 into x into this px is all this the 0. Means for x equal to 0 and 1, this term goes to 0. So we can start here x is equal to 2. So summation of x equal to 2 to infinity x into x minus 1 px plus lambda. Because of for 0 and 1, these term are vanishes. Now we can put here PMF of Poisson distribution. This is the e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to x upon x factor. Again we can adjust this x factorial as this is nothing but x factorial is x into x minus 1 factorial. Again we can use the x minus 1 factorial, means x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial. So x factorial is nothing but x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial. We can use this here x factorial, and here e raised to minus lambda is constant, we can take it out of summation. So we can get e raised to minus lambda x equal to 2 to infinity x into x minus 1, the remaining term is lambda raised to x divided by this x factorial as a x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial plus is lambda is a as it is. So here this x minus 1 and x into x minus 1 are the terms are cancelling. We can get this e raised to minus lambda x equal to 2 to infinity lambda raised to x and only x minus 2 factorial plus lambda. Okay. Now here again we can adjust this lambda raised to x as a lambda raised to x minus 2. So we can get this lambda raised to x minus 2 into lambda square. Because of this minus 2 plus 2 cancel, the remaining is the only lambda raised to x. This is the only adjustment for this x minus 2 factorial. Okay. Now here lambda square taken out of summation, and the remaining terms are x equal to 2 to infinity lambda raised to x minus 2 upon x minus 2 factorial plus lambda. Okay, now we have to put x equal to 2, 3, 4 here. Similarly, like the previous derivation, we can get this expansion. This if we have to put equal to 2, 2 minus 2 0, and 0 factorial is 1. If you have to put 3, 3 minus 2 means 1, and 1 lambda upon 1 factorial. If you have to put 4, 4 minus 2 means 2. Here 4 minus 2 means 2, lambda square upon 2 factorial plus lambda cube upon 3 factorial in this way, plus this term as a lambda. Now we know that this is the expansion of e raised to lambda Therefore we can write this e raised to lambda. Again e raised to minus lambda and e raised to lambda means e raised to 0 means 1, and we get lambda square plus lambda. So this is the expectation of x square. Now we can use this formula, variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x bracket square. So expectation of x square is this lambda square plus lambda, and expectation of x is a lambda square, means this is nothing but lambda square plus lambda, and mean of the Poisson distribution is lambda, and that square, therefore lambda square. So lambda square and lambda square are minus plus cancel. The remaining term are the lambda. So variance of Poisson distribution is a lambda. So it is very interesting property of this distribution is mean and variance of Poisson distribution are same, and it is the lambda, and here we know that the lambda is the parameter of the Poisson distribution. So this is the derivation of variance of Poisson distribution. Now next lecture we can see the some properties of this Poisson distribution.